this lesson, we'll be talking about simplifying square roots. First, we have to know which are prime. A number that can only be evenly divided by 1 and itself is called prime. So, for example, the number 2 can only be divided by 1 and itself, so it's prime. 3 can only be divided by 1 and itself, so it's prime. Now 4 can be divided by 1, 2, and 4. So 4 is not prime. Try the rest on your own. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Keep a close eye on these prime numbers because they're going to be very important for today. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. Next, we're going to talk about prime factorization. Let's take the number 60. We need to find two factors of 60. Let's try 6 and 10. 6 times 10 is 60. Let's find factors of 6, 2 times 3. Notice 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Factors of 10 are 2 times 5, 2, and 5 are prime numbers. Let's write the prime factors in order. So 60 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. But what if we started the tree with a different factor pair? What if we started with the factors 2 and 30? Well, 2 is a prime number, 30 has factors of 5 and 6, 6 has factors of 2 and 3. But notice we get the same result. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Let's try another example. 315. My clue here is 315 ends in 5, so I know it must be divisible by 5. So I know factors of 315 are 5 and 63. Factors of 63 are 7 and 9. Factors of 9 are 3 and 3. So if I want to write the prime factors in order, I get 315 is equal to 3 times 3 times 5 times 7. Try these on scratch paper. Let's use what we learned to simplify square roots. Our example is the square root of 12. Factors of 12 are 2 and 6. Factors of 6 are 2 and 3. So I can rewrite the square root of 12 as the square root of 2 times 2 times 3. Anytime we have a pair inside the square root, we know that that is a perfect square. So I know the square root of 2 times 2 is equal to 2. So the 2 can go on the outside. So our simplified version is 2 times the square root of 3. Let's try the square root of 600. Factors of 106, 10 and 10, 2 and 5, 2 and 5, 2 and 3. So I can rewrite the square root of 600 as the square root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. I find my pair. I find my other pair. Those can be factored out of the square root. What's left inside is a 2 times 3. So now I just simplify again and get 10 times the square root of 6. Try these on your own scratch paper. So what exactly does this mean? Well, it means 3 times the square root of 5. I know that the square root of 5 is just over 2. It's about 2.2. So I know 2.2 times 3 is about 6.6. So 3 times the square root of 5 is about 6.6.